Hey guys, this is B&A. So we have a new video for you today. If you saw our new little snippets, we have been doing a bunch of toy hunting to find some of the new hot items that are here in time for Christmas. So we found these here. These are called Lil Nature Babies. And then it says on the package that they are raising awareness of endangered animals. This comes from the same company as Hex Bugs. And it looks like there are 5 different animals that they made. Some of these come with bigger sets, but these are just the individual guys. These sell for $9.99. We found these at Target. They were actually on sale, so we got them for $4.99, which is awesome. Who doesn't like a good deal? We just got these, so if you are interested in these and you go real soon to when this video is uploaded, hopefully you can get them on sale also. But I'm going to let B open these up and then do a little review for you guys. Let's get these opened up. So these guys are really cute, and they're a little different than I thought they were gonna be. They're like rubbery, and I thought they were gonna be like a hard plastic. And so these guys, they have different sensors, and when you touch them, they make different noises. Like the sensors are on his stomach, head, and back. You can lay him down and you'll start to sleep. And these guys, you can attach them to little keychains. These, you put them in, and you turn them counterclockwise, and they will lock in. Then you can attach to the keychain and take them wherever you want. So these guys are really cute. They make great Christmas presents. And I like them so much, I'm probably going to put one on my backpack. And if you get one of these, comment below, say which one's your favorite. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe. Bye.
Overload, it's a cute overload. Don't you want to take us home? Cute, 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 cute overload, overload.